Hello everyone, welcome to Websense Pro. Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will show you guys how you can add percent discount badge to your Shopify store on your product page and on your collection page. So I already created this video for you guys, which you guys loved, and I wanted to create an updated version based off a lot of comments which I got on that video. So you guys were not able to change the background color. You guys wanted to add in the feature of changing the text. You guys needed to change the border radius, etc., etc. So I have added all of these features in this updated tutorial video, as you can see on my screen. So I have this discount badge showing up. You can see it's animated. It's a home page featured collection, and if you go to the product page, you can see that it's showing up like that. Now you have the ability to change the background color, the text color, the border radius, turn off and turn on the animation from your customized settings without needing to change anything in the code, without needing to add any other Shopify app or any Shopify app. It's just with the liquid code. All of the instructions will be in YouTube video description. All of the code is freely available. I'm not charging you anything for that code. So all of the hard work just for you guys. All I want on against this tutorial is just a subscriber and a like. Please do subscribe to our channel so we can create more valuable content for you guys. So as you can see, we have this text ability to change the text. So you can see we have it showing up off limited time offer, right? So we can simply change it to sale and it will update that. You can see it's updated. Now it's just showing 22% sale and like add in limited time offer or whatever you want to add in. Cool. We have the option to change in the background color. You don't like the red color, we can do the blue color. We can also change the text color. Let's change it to black. Actually black isn't looking good, so I'm going to try something else. Let's try red. Red is also looking good. White is much better, I think. Yep, white is looking good. We have the option to change the font size, so we can increase the font size. And we can decrease it too. We can remove the border radius. We can add in an extra border radius. We can enable and disable animation. So just uncheck it and it won't be animated. And if you check it, it will be animated. You have the option to add in padding top and padding bottom. You can also set it to default, which is just 8 pixel. And all of these changes will be done via customized settings. You don't need to play with the code. All you have to do is just follow the instruction in this video, where you will be just adding the liquid code for once and you will have all of this feature on your store. This will work completely fine on Dawn 13.0.1 and it's currently working on Dawn 13. And I have also created some other tutorials which you guys might like. So as you can see, I have this transparent header on my store. And when you scroll down, it changes to a different version of the logo. And we have an autoplay video, which is continuously working on loop. This loop feature is not available by default on Dawn or any 13.0.1 theme. Neither this transparent header feature is available yet. So if you want this features, link in the description where you can learn for free without paying anything. All you have to do is just watch the video, like and subscribe, comment on the videos so I can create more content for you guys. Okay, now let's proceed by adding this percent sale badge on Dawn 13.0.1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to navigate to the backend of my store. by navigating to /admin. And that's the tutorial which we will follow. Link will be in the description. Okay, click on online store after logging in. And in this theme, I have already added all of the code. So what I'm going to do, I'll install the fresh Dawn theme. Click on add button here. And this our Dawn theme is installing. Guys, while this theme is installing, make sure to subscribe this channel, which will help me create more valuable content for you guys. It's free of cost. You don't need to pay anything to subscribe this channel. All you have to do is just click the subscribe button and watch the magic happening with the loads of tutorials which will improve your store UI and eventually increase the conversions. Okay, our Dawn 13.0.1 has been installed. Now I'm going to click on publish and then click on publish again. Perfect. Now let's preview this one, and I'm going to close the old tab here. And that's how the default Dawn theme looks like. And that's how the sale badge currently looks like. So first step is to add the compare price to your product page, right? And how you can add the compare price. So currently it's showing sale because we have added the compare price to this product. You can see this price crossed out. So it's actually $90, but we are selling it for $70. How you can add compare price, it's a basic level tutorial, but I think I should mention that to you guys. So let's go to that product. And let's go to Nike hoodies men's. So that's the product which we are on. And click on bulk edit. I think let's click on the variant. So here we have all variants showing up, and here we have the compare price showing up. So we have price set for $70, but it's comparing it for $90. If you do not add the compare price, you won't be able to add in this batch because it will remove the sale badge from your store completely. So for example, if I remove this compare price and hit save, now if I go back, this sale badge will be removed. You can see we don't have any compare price, neither the sale badge. So before implementing this tutorial, make sure you have the sale badge showing up, because only then you will have the option to further customize it by implementing the code which I'm going to provide you guys. Okay, now let's add in the compare price again. And now let's go to our online store theme. And now we'll start editing the code. And click on these three small dots and then click edit code. Guys, before editing the code, make sure to have a backup of your theme, have a duplicate of your theme just by clicking duplicate here. In case you mess up anything in your code, you can easily revert it back. And please don't blame me for ruining your theme. This is a free tutorial. I'm not asking in return from you guys. I'm giving you a free value to add into your store. And I feel really bad when I read the comments that due to the code which I provided broke your theme. This is only because you might have multiple customization already added to your theme, or you have any app which is conflicting with the code. So make sure to have a backup. In case it doesn't work properly, let me know in the comment below. I would love to help you guys in resolving the issue which you are facing. Now let's edit the code. Okay guys, we are on our code editor, and now we will navigate back to the instruction which we need to follow. Now the first step is to replace the code in price.liquid. So we will replace this code with the following code in our price.liquid file. Okay, now let's search for that price.liquid file. And now we will search the code which we have here. So I'm just going to copy this and search it by pressing Command F and then Command V and click on next. So that's the span which I'll be replacing. So I'll replace this code with the following code. So click on copy code button here and replace this code by pasting the code which I provided. Perfect. Click on save. And now let's go back to the second step of the blog post, where we will replace the cart-product.liquid. So these are two files. The price.liquid file is for the single product page, and the cart-product.liquid file is for the collection page. Okay. Now let's find this code in our cart-product.liquid. I'm going to find the file card-product.liquid, and I'm going to copy this and press Command F and search this code. Okay, so here's the code which we will be replacing. So that's the span which we need to replace with the following code. So click on copy code and then paste it here. Perfect. Now hit save. And then we'll move on to the next step, which is adding code to the settings_schema file. Okay, where we need to add the code? We need to add the code after this comma. Now let's search for the file settings_schema. And I'm going to add a line break and then copy this code and then paste it here. Perfect. After adding this code, hit save. Now let's move on to the next step. And this is the final step of our tutorial where we will add some CSS code under style in theme.liquid. Okay, now let's search for theme.liquid file. And now I'm going to search style. And below that, I will paste all of the code which is provided here. So just click on copy code button here and then paste the code. Perfect. The code is added. Now click on save. And now let's just go back to the product page and hit refresh. Perfect. You can see that our custom sale badge is showing up. And guys, make sure you have the compare price added to see this sale badge. Otherwise, it's not going to show up. Okay, now we can customize it. We can customize this text. We can change this text. We can change the background color. We can change the font size, etc., etc. And how we can do that is just by clicking on this 3 small dots and then go to our customize settings. I'm going to open that on a new tab. And here I'm going to click on theme settings, and here we have the discount badge WebSense Pro showing up. And you can see that we have this text which we can customize. So let's go to our product page template. And we have the 77% off on this product, 77% off, limited time offer. Perfect. And we can change the badge color. We can change the text color. I think white looks fine. So white color is looking fine. Yep. Font size is 16 pixel. We can increase the border radius. And we can enable the animation, which will make it more attractive. And guys, let me know in the comments below if you want me to add in more functionality and create a newer version for you guys completely for free. So I will look after all of the comments which you guys add into this video. This video is came up the ideas which you guys gave me in the last video which I created. So all of the comments which you guys added on that previous video, I implemented on this video, and I would love to improve it further if you guys comment it out and let me know what more you would like to add in to this sale badge and discount badge on your Shopify store. Okay guys, so that's it for the tutorial, and we have added this on product page and it's looking fine on the product page and on the collection page as well. So that's our product page, and if you go to the home page where I have featured collection showing up, you can see that it's working completely fine and for free. So that's it for the video guys. Let me know in the comments below what more features you would like me to add into this tutorial, and I'll definitely do that. Until next video, have a great day.